Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and an unboxing video and a test of this Cycplus AL7 tire inflator. This is only going to be a quick video, guys. Full disclosure, I have been sent this to test. I haven't even unboxed it yet. So we're going to have a look at it, see if it's going to be any use for what we do or what its purpose actually is. But from all the reviews I've watched online, it's supposed to be really good. So what do you get in the box? Well, I'm hoping a tyre inflator. Okay, first off, like I said, I haven't opened this. You get a manual, tells you all about it. So what it actually is, where all the compartments are, what leads come with it. What else has it got? All the settings, all the controls. We'll ignore all of them. We'll play it by ear. Bit of cover. And the tyre inflator itself. Right, we don't need that anymore. Oh, actually, that is pretty good. That's quite weighty. So, carrying handle. USB, so it obviously doubles as a power bank. That must be for charging it, that must be for power out. Let's see how user friendly it is. Okay, that's alright. So at the moment that is set to obviously push bikes. It goes, that sets the pressures. So how do you move it forwards? Aha, you press the button in. So motorbikes, scooters, preset pressures like 30 psi, and you can dial into what you want, and it shows a, you know, like an SUV. So 35 psi. What's it go up to? Well, it'll go up to 100 psi. So I have not charged this. This is literally just come out the box, guys. That's not been charged. So that's the power it comes with. So whether that's fully charged or not, or whether it's got more, I don't know. But what are my tyre pressures on the truck? 50. That's what I normally run them at. Actually, I run them at 45. 45 to 50, depending on terrain. So yeah, it's got a light. Oh, a very bright light. Does it dim? Oh, it's dimmable. Great for working in the dark, I guess. So if you need to blow a tyre up in the dark, you've got a work light. Or just a work light in general. Yeah, well, quite like that. But where's the hose? Oh, hang on, compartment. Oh, there you go. That's a football inflator. Some other bits and a USB charge lead, so that'll be for charging it, and that will be the lead that reaches off over there. That's actually quite a good length as well. You know what? That's not bad. It's not bad at all. So I've got this tyre aired down on the truck. These are 33-inch tyres, so they're 33 by 12s, roughly. So 305 70/16s. Now, first time I've used this compressor, so I'm going to see what it actually says when I turn it on. So I'm going to set it to car tyres. I'm going to set it for 45, just over 45 psi. It's got 4 bars of power, and apparently 4 bars is full. It's fully charged. So what happens if I click it on, it's actually leaking air. So there's 10 psi in this tyre. Let's see how long it takes to fill this up. We're going to leave it running. It is very loud. but it is already up to 12 psi. Well, it got there. It's warm. How long did it take? Just under 13 minutes to do one tyre. Now, do I think that's a fair test of this machine? Well, I think it's a fair test that it did it. I think this is more geared to cars, vans, smaller SUVs, not, you know, 30s and 35-inch tyres, but it will do it. I would keep this in as a backup because I have got a big tyre inflator in this truck. I've got a built-in compressor which would do that in 3 or 4 minutes. So for overlanding or off-roading, I wouldn't recommend it, but as a backup I would recommend it because that's done really well. How much power did it use? Right, it started off with 4 bars, it's down to 3. So would that probably do all the tyres? Don't know. It's a long time to run constantly, you know, 13 minutes. It's a lot. But it got the tyre up to the pressure that I set was 45.5. It actually went slightly over because when it stopped running, I guess it's due to the volume of these tyres. There's a lot of volume in these. They're nearly a foot wide, these tyres are, guys. They aren't small. These are 10J rims. So what would I say this is ideally suited for? I've got the perfect test to show you what it's ideally suited for. Let's go outside. Well, this is what that tyre inflator is perfectly suited for. Cars and van tyres, bikes, motorbikes, particularly this tyre because there's actually a screw stuck in it there. So that is what this is perfectly suited for. An emergency tyre inflator for when you've got something stuck in your tyre like that and you need to get it to be repaired, or, you know, a general keeping your tyre pressures up, you know, to running pressures. Let's pull that off. This tyre should have 60 psi in it, and what's it actually say? It's got 38 psi in it. So it's on its way down, and for some reason it won't kick in. Have I got that tyre valve in right? It's weird that it'll kick in without any pressure. It's working. Is it just not happy? Well, what are my thoughts? Would I recommend it? I would recommend it, but not for a primary compressor on an overland vehicle or an off-roader. This is an emergency tyre inflator basically. It's, or you know, maintenance, keeping your tyres up. Perfect for that. I wouldn't keep it as a main compressor. Like I said before, I've got a built-in compressor in the truck, but I would keep it as a backup. Now, I've done obviously aired up one of the big tyres, and I've aired up the van tyre to full pressure, and it's down to 1 bar. So it was on 4, it's down to 1 now. So it's not going to do a full set of tyres like airing up a complete vehicle, but it would do, you know, as a backup if something went wrong with your main compressor. So do I recommend it? Actually, yes. I really would recommend it. It seems like a good bit of kit, and I'm quite pleased that they sent it to me. Actually, it's going to do as a backup. We're going on a big trip soon. This will go just in the back of the truck as a spare, and after that it'll go in my wife's car. She can keep it with her, because because she has run over things before now and got a slow puncher in the tyre, and she's needed a compressor. So it'll do for that. So out of my rating, it gets 2 thumbs up. So there you go, guys. An unboxing and an honest review on the what is it? The AL7 tyre inflator. And before I forget, the problem I was having with the van tyre, it was user error. I hadn't pushed the valve on all the way, so it was instantly hitting pressure and shutting off. So yeah. That's just the idiot operating it, not the actual unit. It's fine. So if you've enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to give me that thumbs up, leave a comment. I'll see you on the next one.